Here, let Grandpa take them out. You just
Yeah, they gotta be floating.
Thank you.
But I can't get them.
The fishing set.
There you go.
Hey Rachel, do you see the big pink box over there, Rachel?
What do you think, Mammy? Lemonade, here's another present. Here, you got more presents.
I think we're overloaded.
It's alright. Yeah.
Lemonade, more presents.
More presents.
Here, you want to see what this is? Here, Nan, I'll help you with this one.
She likes the bouncy ball too.
Here, that.
Bubble. Grab walkie-talkie.
Okay, it's a box. Open the box. What's... Ouch. What's that?
Let me see it in.
Show Mommy. Show Mommy what it is.